Hi friends, I'm scientist Parikshet from Kids Fun Love Club. I'm going to do an experiment. The experiment's name is Magic Gloves. So what do we need for that? We need vinegar, baking soda and an empty wide mouth jar and rubber gloves. And let's start doing the experiment. So I'm going to put 200 ml of vinegar into the jar. Now we're going to put in some baking soda into the rubber gloves. So the baking soda is inside the gloves, and now we're going to invert the glove into the jar. Now I'm going to straighten the gloves into the jar. Wow! Friends, do you know why this is happening? Because of the chemical reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda. When these two are mixed, this combination releases a gas. The gas's name is carbon dioxide. See, this is all gas. So friends, humans also breathe out carbon dioxide. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this experiment and I hope you try this out and have a good day.